Hey everybody, today I'm going to be picking this American lock. It's a round from the US Navy. I heard it was used on like submarines and such. It has a brass shackle as well. It's all brass. I'm told that's because it was would be used in an area that couldn't have sparks, and brass won't create a spark. So here's the bidding. Um, Bidding's not too bad. So, show you it works well with the key. It's a key retaining padlock as well. You have to push down the shackle, turn the key back. Just started messing with this a moment ago. I find with American padlocks that this outboard slimline set works very well. Top of the keyway tension is my preferred method, just over the two tension wrench method, which some people use, just because it gives me more room to work with. There it is. Anyhow, that's the American lock, US Navy all brass round padlock. Thanks for watching and good luck with your pick.